Welcome to today's section on Microsoft Form. My name is Ruth Ayorede. I'm an educator, I'm a project and programs manager, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an educational content creator. Welcome to today's section on customizing forms for educational use. All right, so today we are going to be, learners will learn and will be introduced to question logic for dynamic forms, question logic for dynamics form. All right, let's go. So let's go to the first question. It's very interesting. You love it. So this is the first question. All right, so you come here, this three button, you click on it, you see add branching, you add branching, so it will bring you here. So these are the questions that are on that page. So how do you want your learners or whoever is going through your form survey or anything to do? So in my spare time, I like to, for me, I place to watch television, participate in sports, read, and others. And here, the first question says watch television. So what's the person going to go to next? If the person is speaking watch television as the answer, so I'm going to put here, I have another question that I've typed already for television. So I'm going to give it to the person as the next question the person should answer. Okay, what television program do you have? So if do you watch? So this one is participate in sport. So if there is another person picking the first question to be participate in sport, I have the next question that has to do with sport. I'm just arranging my own like this. Do you understand? You can do yours anyhow. That's question 3. What sport do you like? That's what the person we see in their space. And if the person picks read and I want the person to go to next, you understand? That would be the next question. So it's going to be number 2. Next, it could be number 2 and other. So this other I can choose. If other, please explain what you choose. So I have filled this place with the options the way I feel like I want them to, the questions to go. So let's go to the next question. All right, so now this one I have chosen end of the form. So if other, please explain, and I choose next to be, I choose mine to be end of the form. Once you fill this, that's going to submit. But if I want to change it to any question, I can also give it that. So I go to the next question. What sport do you like to watch or participate in? I leave every other thing. If this baseball, if I have any question on baseball, I click here. I do the same just like the one we did. And if I don't want to, I can just click end of form. For this section, I'm going to be clicking on end of form for everything. That's for sports, end of form. So we are going to see the outcome from the other side when we are done. End of form, end of form, end of form. So you can do the same thing, change it the way you like for whoever is going to use it. So I'm done with this. I'm going to use these 2 or 3 as example. All right, let's go. So you can do a lot with your question, the dynamics of form. All right, so let's come here. Let's preview what we have done. So let's preview it from here. All right, so in my spare time, I like to, we've given it different options now. All right, if you click on watch television, it will take you to the next television question. You see, what television question do you like? What television program do you like to watch? I think here we've clicked on cartoon, news, sport, other. Yeah, okay, so question 3 says, question 4, what? Okay, question 3 says explain. So if you click on other explain, then we explain. Then question 4 says, what type of books do you read? Non-fiction. Enter your answer. If not, you can submit, and we submit. So sometimes it depends on how you want those people, the people that are going to answer the question, the quiz, the survey, to fill whatever you have done. So that is how you can add dynamics to your form. So I would like you to practice it from your end. Add dynamics to your form that we have been creating. We have been creating this form for some time now. So add dynamics to it. Send me the result of your dynamics. Send me a screenshot of the results to the platform. I'll be waiting for you. See you in the next video. Bye.